Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pay your affidavit of support fee. To begin, please have your unique invoice ID number and case ID number readily available. These essential identifiers are printed directly on your official fee bill. Next, you will need to visit the Immigrant Visa Invoice Payment Center online. Once there, carefully select the specific option designated for paying your affidavit of support fee, ensuring a smooth start to the process. You have two convenient options for paying your affidavit of support fee, either directly from a checking account or through a savings account. It is crucial to verify that your chosen bank account holds sufficient funds to cover the $120 fee. When prompted, carefully input your bank's 9-digit routing number and your precise account number. Double-checking these details will prevent any payment delays. Once you submit your payment, please allow approximately 5 business days for the transaction to fully process. During this period, the system verifies your funds and updates your account. You will know your payment is complete when its status changes to paid within the online system. Remember to print or save your payment confirmation as an important record for your files. After your affidavit of support fee is successfully paid, you will receive clear instructions detailing how to submit your necessary financial documents. It is important to send all required supporting paperwork to the specified address without delay. Once these documents are received and processed, your case will then seamlessly move forward to the next crucial stage of review, bringing you closer to your goal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.